thought I would shoot a quick video to show how I create the restore image for C64 OS using C64 Archiver. So from the app launcher, I will launch into the new C64 Archiver app. So here's our user interface. So we can cycle through these different types. So I can also choose it from here. So I'm going to say it's a restore type file. I want both PRGs and SEQs. These are standard extensions to skip, which you can edit. You can also say skip no files or skip code files. So those are kind of defaults. I'll type in here C64 OS beta 1.0b. And next what I need to do is choose the source. So I'll choose input. So from here, I'm going to choose, I already have it highlighted here, so I'm on my CMD HD. I'm going to pick OS, that's the root system directory. Click open. Okay, so we see that path. This is the path it's going to be archiving. Now we'll pick choose output. It's going to open the save dialog, or the save utility. Now on this, I'm going to save the file directly to the SD2IEC because I want to transfer it to a Mac later. So go into this partition, and it's fine right here in this kind of root directory here where I have some other files. So I'll put in restore.car because that's what the C64 restore program for installation wants. So there we have that. And I just hit start. And creates an archive. And it immediately starts ticking through, recursing through this source and packing it into this file. Pretty cool. This will take a while, so that's enough for now.